Hello, my dear students from grade 6. How are you? I hope you are doing well. Welcome back to our new video lesson, Lesson 13, Two Areas of Triangles. My dear students, kindly pay your attention to the following instruction from the teacher. Instruction number 1. Study the video lesson very well. Instruction number 2. To complete your assignments as per the weekly plan, log into your account on pearsonrealize.com. Alright? Before going, dear students, bring out your textbook, copybook, pen or pencil, and highlighter pen. Thank you. My dear students, let's do some review questions now. Our first review question is: what is the area of the rhombus shown? It has a base length, 15 centimeters, and height 12.4 centimeters. Again, what is the area of the rhombus shown? Centimeters, and height 12.4 centimeters. What is your answer? Very good. 186 square centimeters. How did you get the answer? Very good. A rhombus is a parallelogram with equal sides. Area. To find the area of this rhombus, use the same formula. So, area of the rhombus equals 15 centimeters multiply 12.4 centimeters, which is equal to 186 square centimeters. Alright, our today's second review question is: the area of a parallelogram is 72 square inches. The height of the parallelogram is 12 inches. What is the length of the base of the parallelogram? Again, the area of a parallelogram is 72. Parallelogram is 12 inches. What is the length of the base of the parallelogram? Very good. The base is 6 inches. How? Good. Area of a parallelogram equals B multiply H. So, 72 equals 12. So, 72 divided by 12 equals B times 12 divided by 12. Which means, 6 equals B. Alright? Dear students, for more review questions, you need to log into your account on pearsonrealize.com. Take printout, try to find answers and keep the paper in your portfolio. Submit your work to the teacher later. Thank you. My dear students from grade 6, we have the following objective today. At the end of this video lesson, you will be able to find the areas of triangles. Repeat with me the objective of our today's lesson. At the end of this video lesson, I will be able to find the areas of triad. Now, let's turn to page number 660. Okay, my dear students. Let's start our today's lesson by solving solve and share question. Are you ready? Very good. Well, our question is: connect point A to B, B to C, C to D, and D to A. Then draw a diagonal line connecting opposite vertices in the figure and find the area of each triangle formed. Solve this problem any way you choose. Again. Connect point A to B, B to C, C to D, and D to A. Then draw a diagonal line connecting opposite vertices in the figure and find the area of each triangle formed. Solve this problem any way you choose. You can look for and make use of structure when evaluating relationships between the areas of parallelograms and triangles. Very good. Connect A to B, B to C, C to D and D to A. Good. What kind of figure you have get? Good, a parallelogram. Okay, let's draw a diagonal line that connects opposite vertices B and D. So, we see that we have get two identical triangles, each has area half the area of the parallelogram ABCD. So, we need to find the area of the parallelogram first. How to find the area of the parallelogram? Good, let's find the base and height of the parallelogram now. Excellent. The parallelogram has a base length of 18 units and height 12 units. So area of the parallelogram equals 18 multiply 12, which is equal to 216 square units. So the area of each triangle is half of 216 square units, which is 108 square units. Good. All right. Now, who knows the answer for look back question? What is a rule for finding the area of any triangle? Very good. Multiply the base by the height and then multiply
How can you find the area of a triangle? Think about this question during the lesson. A parallelogram can be decomposed into two identical triangles. How can you use the formula for the area of a parallelogram to find the area of a triangle? Describe how you can find the area of a parallelogram. To find the area of a parallelogram, multiply the base by the height. Reason abstractly and quantitatively to find how the areas of parallelograms and triangles are related. The diagonal of a parallelogram divides it into two identical triangles. How do you know that the two triangles are identical? One triangle can be rotated onto the other triangle. The heights, bases, and angles of the two triangles are the same. Identical triangles have the same base and height, so the triangles have the same area. The area of one triangle must be half the area of a parallelogram that has the same base and height. What is the formula for the area of a triangle? The area of a triangle equals 1/2 the base times the height. Now you know how to find the area of a triangle.
My dear students, have you get the answer for convince me question on page number 666? What is the question? Use the formula A equals BH to find the area of the triangle at the right. Very good. Area, A equals 1/2, which is equal to 1/2 of 60. Equals 30 square centimeters. Okay dear students, let's turn to textbook page number 667 now. Let's discuss the answers for guided practice questions. Guided practice first part. Do you understand? Question number 1. If you cut a rectangle into two identical triangles, what type of triangles will they be? Again, if you cut a rectangle into two identical triangles, what type of triangles will they be? Very good. Right triangles. Now question number 2. In the example on the previous page, is used to divide the parallelogram into two triangles. Would the area of each of these triangles be half the area of the parallelogram? Explain. Again, in the example on the previous page, if the other diagonal is used to divide the parallelogram into two triangles, would the area of each of these triangles be half the area of the parallelogram? Explain. Very good. Yes, these two triangles would have the same base and the same height as the two triangles in the example. Good. Now let's move to second part. Do you know how? Read the direction. In 3 and 4, find the area of each triangle. What is the answer for question number 3? Very good. It is 4 square feet. Well, who got the 3 square inches?
Let's find the area of this triangle. We can use the formula area equals 1/2 times base times height. Before we can find the area, we need to know the measure of the base and the measure of the height of the triangle. Any side of the triangle can be its base, but you need the corresponding height. The height is the perpendicular distance from the opposite vertex to its base. The measure of the base of this triangle is 11 inches. The measure of the height is 6 inches. We can substitute the measure of the base and the measure of the height into the formula. Now we can find 11 times 6. 11 times 6 equals 66. We can find half of 66 by dividing 66 by 2. 66 divided by 2 equals 33. The area of this triangle is 33 square inches. Next, we will find the area of a right triangle. Remember, the formula for finding the area of a triangle is area equals 1/2 times base times height. Two sides that form the right angle in a right triangle are its base and its height. The measure of the base of this triangle can be 8 centimeters. The measure of the height can be 6 centimeters. We can substitute the measure of the base and the measure of the height into the formula. Now we can find 8 times 6. 8 times 6 equals 48. Find half of 48 by dividing 48 by 2. 48 divided by 2 equals 24. The area of this right triangle is 24 square centimeters.
My dear students, have you watched the video to remember how to find the area of a triangle using the formula to find the area of a parallelogram? Very good. So, you are ready now to calculate the area of the following triangles. Let's make all these questions together. View 3 minutes to calculate the area of each triangle. Time's up. Now, what is the answer for number 5, 6, and 7? Very good. Number 5, 12 square yards. Number 6, 15 square meters. And number 7. My dear students, are you ready to enjoy and calculate math practices and problem-solving questions on your textbook page 668? I really appreciate that. Okay. Let's do question number 8 and 9 together. Are you ready? Good. Okay, question number 8. What is the area in square millimeters of the triangle outlined on the origami figure at the right? Again, what is the area in square millimeters of the triangle outlined on the origami figure at the right? Very good. 264 square millimeters. Now, question number 9, Fawzia wants to make an origami fish for each of her 22 classmates. It takes 30 minutes to make one fish. How many hours will it take Fawzia to make all the fish? Again. Fawzia wants to make an origami fish for each of her 22 classmates. It takes 30 minutes to make one fish. How many hours will it take Fawzia to make all the fish? What is your answer? Excellent. 11 hours. How? Who can explain it? Very good. We need to multiply 22 by 30 minutes, which will be 660 minutes. 660 minutes means 11 hours. How? Think yourself. Awesome. Alright. Let's do question number 10 and 11 together. I am so happy to see that you are very interested to solve problem-solving questions. Appreciated. Okay, question number 10, if you know the area and the height of a triangle, how can you find the and the height of a triangle? How can you find the base? Very good. Divide the area of the triangle by the height and multiply the result by 2. Now, question number 11, Ms. Lopez drew triangle ABC, with a height of 6 inches and a base of 6 inches, with a height of 4 inches and a base of 8 inches. Which triangle has the greater area? Use an area formula to justify your answer. Again. Ms. Lopez drew triangle ABC, with a height of 6 inches and a base of 6 inches, and triangle RS of 8 inches. Which triangle has the greater area? Use an area formula to justify your answer. What is your answer? Excellent. The area of triangle ABC is A equals 1/2 multiply 6 times 6 equals 18 square inches. Equals 1/2 multiply 8 times 4 equals 16 square inches. Triangle ABC has the greater area. Dear students, now let's solve question number 12. Use each of the 3 corresponding base and height pairs to find the area of the triangle. How do you know that the area will be the same for each calculation? Explain. Again, use each of the 3 corresponding base and height pairs to find the area of the triangle. How do you know that the area will be the same for each calculation? Explain. You have an answer. Excellent. A equals 1/2 of 15 times 12 equals 90 square centimeters. A equals 16 times 11.25 equals 90 square centimeters. A equals 1/2 of 18 times 10 equals 90 square centimeters. The triangle has only one area, so it will be the same no matter which base and height pair you choose to use to calculate the area. Very good. Area. Very good. Okay, my dear students from grade 6. It is the end our video lesson. Try to make textbook homework, textbook page numbers, 669 to 670. I wish you all the best. Until the next video lesson, see you. Bye.